What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a wonderful Friday today, and it's Friday the 13th, but regardless of that, we had a great day today. I don't know if it's just me, but I almost forgot what bullish patterns look like, and I've made a lot of videos on bullish patterns, but in the last few weeks in this market, it's been really hard to trade bullish patterns. But today, on the other hand, we got a beautiful fallen wedge on NVDA that I was able to take advantage of, and we actually made pretty good money on it. Now, one thing that I want you guys to understand, the falling wedge consists of a few things, right? So let's talk about what it is. The falling wedge, if you guys don't know, this is the falling wedge pattern, all right? And what's happening here? We have an explosive move up, we have the sideways consolidation, and then another continuation higher, okay? So that's the falling wedge pattern. And let's take a look at what's going on here on NVIDIA 2-minute chart today, right? So we've consolidated out of the gates, and then we have this extreme surge in price action that just takes place and just explodes, right? We have volume coming in as well. And then what I was waiting for is obviously a pullback. I've talked about not chasing moves, so we wait for a pattern or a pullback to take place. So this pullback, this consolidation kind of takes place, and we kind of go into this pullback and we fall into this moving average, just 20 moving average. Now as this is happening, I'm kind of looking at a lot of other things, watching the flow and trying to see what's going on. I looked over to the flow looked bullish. We had some good bullish activity coming in. Some of them were Lotto calls that they were buying, and the quick tab here tells you they're going after the 175s, they're going after the 180s. These are all today's expiry, guys. 170, 180, 185, sorry, 175. And the price was sitting at around 168. So that's another confirmation that's telling me, okay, these guys are obviously buying lottery calls on this. They're expecting a higher move up. And what really sold me on this, and the reason why I alerted this at 10:20 a.m. to buy lotto calls in the Discord, was simply because of this. We came back. We have a falling wedge pattern that I talked about right here. Oops, excuse that. We have a falling wedge pattern that I talked about right here. Looks exactly like what's going on. But most importantly, the thing that really confirmed me on this move was this right here, okay? This little hammer off of the 20 moving average was the reason I got involved right here. That's when I alerted these calls, these lotto calls at 70 cents. They just took off. Now they've hit over 100% here, but I took profits as my targets was around 174.50. And that's about it, man. This is how you guys can kind of give yourself that confirmation. Don't chase this explosive move up. Wait for a pattern to form, right? What was the pattern? It was a falling wedge. What happened? We got a hammer. We have a moving average. We have a pattern. All of this kind of fell together. The flow was bullish. You can see that the lotto calls for 175, 180, these were all bullish. They're coming in and buying this thing, and really, that really gave it all away. So the beautiful chart looked solid. The hammer came in off of that 20 moving average. You really got to put your money where your mouth is and risk it sometimes, and that just looked too good to give away, and that was a solid trade. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys found some value in this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Share this with somebody who you think will find value in it. And as always, have yourselves a safe and wonderful weekend, and we'll catch you all right back here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.